Hi everyone. Today in next 5 minutes you will learn about pillars of natural lifestyle. Natural lifestyle is nothing but when people try to make possible efforts to choose what is truly pure as it exists in nature. So it is a science of living. Let's not talk on specific body type today, but try to cover certain guidelines in daily routine which will help you to maintain good balance of your body and mind. So friends, let's start with some tips that will lead you towards a natural lifestyle. So first thing first, start your day early in the morning. You have to wake up early, latest by 6 a.m. After that, you can have 1 or 2 glasses of warm water as soon as you are off from the bed. Now for physical fitness and peace of mind, do some exercises like yoga, pranayama, meditation, or at least a walk for 6 days a week. Now it's time for breakfast. In breakfast, you can have 1 or 2 glasses of buttermilk in warm water. You know that buttermilk is excellent body detoxifier. It eliminates all toxins and impurities from your body. You can also include half cooked salad and some sprouts which will take care of protein content for your body. For non-vegetarians, do not consume fruits and non-veg together. Fundamentally, it is to avoid fast digestive and slow digestive food together. For your meal, include jwari or bajri roti which are gluten free instead of wheat, and of course leafy vegetables as a part of your meal. Just keep in mind that always look for more local and seasonal food. Now let's talk about fillers in a day. You can have handful of overnight soaked dry fruits like almonds, walnut, dates, black raisins, or even Rajgira laddu, peanut jaggery bar will serve the purpose. Make sure that your dinner should be light and possibly before 7 but not later than 8 pm. Always keep your body moderately active for 2 hours after dinner before you go to bed. It is a good practice to have a cup of desi cow milk with a pinch of turmeric without sugar during your bedtime. Now coming to 3 day-to-day items which need to be replaced with immediate effect. First is replace your white sugar with chemical free jaggery. Second is refined and processed oil with cold press oil. You can get cold press oil in any local oil mills. Now third is important, replace your refined table salt with rock salt or unprocessed salt. Now let's get back to our ancient time when Indian Desi cow breed has offered so many benefits for survival of mankind, but it has got overlooked for few decades. So let's again believe in our traditional practices. So please do include desi cow ghee in your daily diet for better digestion, joints lubrication and better immunity. Whenever possible, please try to include desi cow gomutra and gobar in your daily use, which is natural disinfectant and has antiseptic qualities. You know that gomutra, when taken in form of medicinal arka, it detoxifies your body and also contains many minerals like copper, gold salt, which are very useful for your body. You know also desi cow gobar, when burnt, it acts as antibacterial and natural air purifier. Now let's move to the water intake. A glass of water has to be consumed at regular interval throughout the day to keep your body hydrated. Always remember, you need to be seated at a place while drinking water. One last point, the day when there is no physical activity, that day you have to just eat minimum required food for your stomach and do not overeat. As an ending note, just make a point that in health and diet, there is no any hard and fast rule. Every body is different and one has to keep observing the way body responses to various food types. So that's all for this quick session. Thank you so much for listening and keep in touch for further updates. Bye for now.